How to secure over six figures in business credit in 6 months. Introduction to Business Credit. This educational guide explores how to secure over $240,000 in business credit within 6 months by leveraging properly structured businesses, strategic applications, and effective credit management. With no income verification required, this process involves establishing business credibility, building personal credit, and targeting the right financial institutions. Step 1. Properly structure your business. A well-structured business is essential for obtaining high business credit limits. Key steps include: register with credit bureaus, list your business with Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business to establish a credible profile. Business contact information: set up a dedicated phone number, address, and email separate from personal details. 411 directory listing: ensure your business is included in public directories to verify legitimacy. Create a business website. Even a simple one-page site showcasing your business can enhance credibility. Open a business bank account. Use a reputable institution to separate personal and business finances. Step 2. Repair and improve personal credit. Lenders often review the business owner's personal credit. To prepare: fix negative items, dispute inaccuracies or outdated items on your credit report. Lower credit utilization: keep balances below 30% of your credit limits to demonstrate financial management. Make payments on time. Timely bill payments are crucial for a good credit score. Build positive history. Open new accounts responsibly to increase available credit and lower utilization rates. Step 3. Choose the right banks for applications. Targeting the right financial institutions increases approval chances. Recommended options: Navy Federal, start with a secured business credit card to build credit. Wells Fargo, offers up to $25,000 for businesses with good personal credit. Marcus by Goldman Sachs, approvals up to $40,000 for well-prepared applications. American Express, provides limits up to $35,000 with good personal credit. Chase, competitive options with limits of up to $30,000. Synchrony Bank, Sam's Club, offers no personal guarantee options and credit up to $40,000. Step 4. Understand personal guarantees. Most lenders require a personal guarantee, especially for new businesses. This guarantees repayment if the business fails and signals commitment to lenders. Over time, as the business builds credit, the need for personal guarantees may decrease. Step 5. Manage your business credit effectively. Timely payments: avoid late payments to build a strong credit history. Monitor credit utilization. Keep utilization low to reflect responsible management. Build trade lines. Establish relationships with vendors and maintain good payment records. As your business credit profile strengthens, you'll qualify for larger credit lines and additional funding opportunities. Conclusion: securing over six figures in business credit within 6 months requires strategic planning and consistent management. By structuring your business properly, improving personal credit, and targeting the right financial institutions, you can build substantial credit lines to grow and expand your business. Subscribe for more information.